Dobro, evo, generacija X ide, eli? Kao što smo, ne znam su li ove dvije budale najavile, ali imamo intervju s Metallicom, eli? To je pored mene James Hetfield, koga svi znate kad piva ono, eli? Jeheja, i to, eli? Svi znate pisme od Metallike i znam ja svirati par stvari, baš sam se pohvalio sad klapcima iz benda, kako dobro svira njihove pisme. Nego, James, friendino, ekipu ono zanima o Metallici sve, eli? Pa ako bi ti mogao reći, što ja znam, reci nešto, kad je Metallica počela, što ste svirali u početku i tako to, eli? Ajde, reci, Lale.
When we first started as Metallica, we didn't have any of our own songs. We were playing cover songs from these more obscure kind of British metal bands that no one in California knew. So we had a set list. We played them. We didn't tell them they weren't us. We were playing a lot of Diamond Head stuff. Just called Savage, Blitzkrieg, and slowly we started writing our own songs and replaced the covers with our own. And when we first got Jason in the band, that was a good way to kind of break him in. Get in the studio and instead of trying to write songs with him in it.
Ne moraš govoriti. To je gotovo. A vas dva majmuna nastavite s programom ili ti Toma zarotiraj neku pismu. James, ajde, ajde.